one of the things I want to point out too, if I could, about attracting and retaining customers is this thing called customer service.
Yeah.
And you know, I like to talk about the
super important part of it.
Absolutely.
Right?
I talk about the customer journey process. Yeah. And what I'm saying specifically about that is there's the before you buy something, there's something when you purchase this, that's the actual purchase, but then there's the post-purchase cycle as well.
Yeah.
So when we talk about the post-purchase, we're talking about specifically how our business is handling the customer service component. That's a critical part when it comes to attracting and retaining customers as well.
Yeah. And even before that point, when you're thinking about starting a business, identifying what that customer base might be, sometimes is what leads you to start the business, but I would imagine sometimes it's the reason you might not want to start a business.
You know, that's exactly right. Absolutely spot on. If you don't understand you're going to go after, there's a chance that you may not be successful, number one. And number two, I like to tell businesses and business owners that 20% of your customers will generate 80% of your revenue or your profits.
Right.
So therefore, we have to think about the other 80%. Is that a cash drain on your business, or is there a way they can still reach them profitably and establish a relationship with them as well?